Hello, my name's Ian Ridley and this Take a Seat presentation is for the Serati chair with Pro Control mechanism. The Serati with Pro Control gives you a chair that has a great number of adjustments available to you. I'll run through them and see if I can cover them all off. So first of all, you have the ability to adjust your seat height. So on the right hand side there's a tab that gives you your seat height adjustment. Above that, on the underside of the seat, is the seat depth, little tab that allows you to again just set the seat depth to suit your personal requirements. You can also adjust the back height, so there's a ratchet back. You can set the back height to where the lumbar is comfortable for you. You also have a lumbar pump. This allows you to inflate and deflate the shape of the back, giving you good support as you need it. So you can set the chair up quite simply for the seat depth and height, back essential depth and height, and curvature of your back with a lumbar pump. Then you have the Pro Control mechanism. This mechanism, if I set it to its firmest setting, wound all the way forward, the chair for me is too firm to sit comfortably. I can wind that back about 3 clicks, and now I've got a chair that is moving quite freely as I move. It's a synchronized mechanism. It's moving with me as I want to move. I can, to show you, loosen that right off, and for my size, that chair is now too loose. So again, about 3 clicks in, and I've got myself a comfortable working chair. The other part of the Pro Control allows me to alter how the seat finishes. On the left-hand side, this lever knob goes backwards and forwards. When it's in the back position, if I'm sitting in the chair, come to upright, the seat finishes horizontally. And that's a normal, comfortable working position. However, winding it forward 1 click, when I come forward, the chair now comes into a slightly forward sitting position. That allows me to have the seat slightly higher if I want. Open hip angle, knees below hips, a really good, comfortable working position that I can still use all the synchro features of the chair, but come into a slightly more forward biased position. Just beside that lever is the seat tilt lock. You can lock the chair into position. Having said that, it's a synchro chair, it's meant to move with you, so we suggest that stays in the unlocked position. You've also got adjustable arms. They're width adjustable, so underneath is a little knob. I can adjust the width of the arm quite easily, height of the arm, depth of the arm, and even the angle of the arm. That angle adjustment also allows me to turn it 180 degrees, which alters the gap here as well as the normal depth adjustment and the width adjustment on the arms. The last part of the Serati is the headrest or the neck rest. Here I can bring that down, it's articulated, I can get it so that it's a neck rest or a headrest, but it's something that works really well when you're sitting comfortably on a chair. So that's the Serati with Pro Control. It's a well resolved and well finished chair. One last thing, on the base there's the foot plates. They're there for when you're sitting and you do put your feet up, as most people do, you've got somewhere to put your foot. It's not going to damage the base, it's polished out, and it's a really attractive feature of the chair as well. So thank you, take a seat.